Naghahanap ka ba ng property na complete upon turnover, ready for occupancy at 5 minutes lang sa SM13? Baka ito na yung property na hinahanap mo. This home has a 45 square meter floor area and sits on a 55 square meter lot area. Complete turnover na. May living area, dining, kitchen, toilet and bath, at may 2 bedrooms na. Expandable din siya, so you have the flexibility to upgrade as your family grows. Perfect ito sa starting families, OFW, or middle-income earners who want a move-in ready home without a long wait. Ang maganda pa dito, the location is unbeatable. Just 5 minutes away from SM13, schools, hospitals, public transportation, and government offices. Convenient and daily life mo. Shopping, grocery, and market, lahat nandito na. Plus, Tres is the one of the fastest growing cities in Cavite. Kaya mataas ang potential appreciation ng property mo. And yes, this home is very attainable. Available through Pag-ibig financing or bank financing. For as low as 10,000 reservation fee, pwede ka na magkaroon ng sariling property. Mga kabahay, alam kong sawa na kayong umupa at gusto nyo na magkaroon ng sariling property. Kaya ano pag hinihintay nyo, message nyo na ako ngayon at tutulungan ko kayong magkabahay. Tutulungan ko kayo mula reservation hanggang ma-turnover ang property sa inyo. Sa muli, ako si Ryan, isang property specialist at ang trabaho ko ang magkabahay ka. Bye!